corruption is not bad. Corruption is only bad if I'm not involved.
Yes.
But if I'm part of that corruption, I'll defend it.
Kungenzeka nasibona uphakela umthakathi naye segijima izinkantolo njengongizwe. Kungenzeka na ngelinye ilanga sireport ukuthi there is someone who's suing uphakela umthakathi. Kuze mina nawe sibe on the same page futhi si understandani ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Njengoba kuqalela mamashi asukile aqhubukile la izwe lonke eSouth Africa futhi esenesikhathi lokho eqhubeka enzeka kodwa ukungenelela kaphakela umthakathi nongizwe bakwenze kwaba worse bekusengconywana kusekhona usese Jacinta ngobe sezuma yedwa kodwa ukungenelela kaphakela umthakathi nongizwe bagcine sekuyinto yansuku zonke namhlanje basendaweni ethize ngalela ngabasendaweni ethize nangalela basendaweni ethize lokho kwenza ukuthi magcine kukhulunywa ngayo kakhulu ke lolu daba la kwabezindaba. Wonke umuntu ke abahlangana nabezindaba bayambuza ukuthi ucabangani wena ngalento okukhulunywa ngayo ikakhulukazi udaba oluthinta lempi elwa nalaba bala ngokungekho semthethweni ababizwa ukuthi ama illegal immigrants. Ubaba lo uNyoso wePAC bekaneqembu lakhe angazi bebekhuluma ngani mhlambe balungisela ama local government elections naye mayisephiwe ithuba lokukhuluma wayesekhuluma kanje.
And we've been saying, for that matter, these borders that we see today are artificial borders. We were given these borders by Berlin Conference in 1886. These are not our borders. It can happen that your roots can be traced in Congo. And the problem with this problem that is being said today, it's only affect black people. What about white people who do not have papers to be in South Africa? What about real cartels, criminals who are coming from Italy, who are here in South Africa? What about Israelites who are even doing business in South Africa without proper documentation? By the way, the ANC leader, Chris Hani, was killed by a white immigrant. How did he get to South Africa?
Thank you
Because
so
he was
much,
white and nobody asked him his ID. No African can be a foreigner in Africa. And no thugs can go out there and call us and tell us that is what you must do. We can't be led by thugs called Ngizwe and others with a name that I can't even understand, Pagalama Gweke and others. They can't do that. This is the land of ours, and we can't be led by people who don't even know they are standing in the society.
Bathi abafana wayisusa uzoyimela. Ma uyisusa nje ufuna wazi ukuthi uzoyimela. Basho njalo. Lo baba uyoqalile. Wababiza ukuthi they are thugs. Can't be led by thugs. Like Ngizwe nalomunye phakela igqwirha. Usho njalo baba uNyoso. Uma uphakela umthakathi ekhuluma no Scheme GP bexoxa nje ngalento ayenzayo uPhawulileke naye ngalodaba lalo baba lo uNyoso yena wakhuluma kanje.
Alone. What? Because we are dealing with so many demons in South Africa. It's not only this demon. This demon, okay, let's say we minus and then President today says, Phakela, nethimba lakho lonke nomacingwane nosis Jacinta niyibambile nayi into yama foreigners ayilungisa and then we've got many other issues. We have never touched many other issues. Do you think this is the pressing matter for you now?
Yeah, my brother, we okay, who kunobaba kuthiwa uNyoso who spoke rubbish yesterday. uNyoso. And he's a very, even if you look at him, you can see he's stupid. Uyabona. Uthi, these borders are artificial.
Yeah.
Okay. Yena, when he goes to Kenya or when he goes to Mozambique, he uses a passport.
Yeah.
But uthi thina la South Africa, South African. Uthi thina la South Africa, asingasho ukuthi akube neborder eSouth Africa. ISouth Africa kuphela okungamele ibe neborder. Bonke laba abanye banamaborder. Bawabile amaborder, banamasosha adubulayo, abulalayo nje anganasikhathi sakho. Uyabo, akubulala kufaka emgodini wengumbane udliwe izintibane. Uyabo. So uma ngabe bethi abaholi lento pressing issue is not only the foreigners. But kusho yena uNyoso uthi there's white people and Italian and
Chinese
and Chinese. Bahlala kuphi? Emlazi. Bahlala la eSoweto. Labo belungu. Bahlala naye angithi. Why is he not doing anything? He's a leader. Why is he not doing something about it? Why is he telling us as South Africans esimvotelile simbeke lapha phezulu ukuthi abe umholi? He's coming back to complain and counter attack a struggle of the people instead of helping. And yena njengomholi, he goes on media and says kunabantu on SABC, a whole leader people should the people of his party, they must take him down of that position because if he's embarrassed them. Uthi kunabelungu asihlale nabelungu, we don't feel abelungu doing anything. But here's the interesting part about Ubaba Unyonso. Ubaba Unyonso right now is evicting black people in the farms, in government farms, because he wants to give it to the white people. The same white people is crying about. As I'm talking now, if any of these leaders or his counterparts are saying I'm wrong, they must sue me for this. Right now, he's evicting black people so he can take those farms and give it back to the white people. And that's what they've been doing. Even the other leaders, they've been in the land issue. They've delayed the processes of giving the land back to the people until people were tired or whoever was doing, like Phakela Mthakathi was killed. Once that person is killed, then they take the farms, they lease it for 100 years to a white man. The same white man, they gave 16 million for the farm. While abantu elokishini bengena spinach, bengena cabbage, bengena lutho. So whoever sees that Phakela is narrow-minded is looking at the foreigners, and they think he should be looking at other things. For the fact that you know ukuthi kufanele ngabe ngibukani, that means you know ukuthi kune problem lapha. Stand up, have balls like me. Put your head on a block and say, as a South African, I will not wait for the police. I will not wait for the Navy. I will not wait for the South African Defence Force. I will stand up as a man, and if I die, I will die for the good cause. But I'm fixing this now. If sonke yonke indawo abantu bengasukuma belwe nalezi zinto, South Africa in 1 month will be fixed.
Eshuo ukhathide la iyodwa uthi ngeke basuke bona beyolwa nabelungu. Bona bahlala nabantu abayinkinga kubo eMlazi. Na wonke indawo la basuke behambela khona. Uma abantu bekhala ngobugebengu obenziwa bokufika basuke bekhala ngobugebengu obenziwe endaweni lezi abasuke behlala kuzo. Ngaleso sizathu bafanele ukulwa nalabantu. Uma labo bantu abenza lobo bugebengu bemnyama njengabo bazolwa nabo ngoba yibona abantu abahlala nabo endaweni zangakubo. Uthi ke ngoba yena uyazi ukuthi kunabelungu abangekho documented, wenzani yena ngabo? Ngoba phela uyabazi ukuthi bahlala naye. Argument ke kakhathide le ukuthi cha ngoba yena uyabazi wenzani ngabo. Kodwa kuveza iphathi engicabanga ukuthi inzima kakhulu mangabe iqiniso ukuthi ulo ubaba lo Unyonso is evicting abantu abamnyama wena bakhipha emaplazini ngoba inhloso yakho ukuthatha lawo maplaza wanikeza abelungu. Indaba ezinzima lezo nezibhlungu ke uma ngathiwa ngempela uyakwenza ngoba mina ngeke ngisho lutho angazi. Kodwa nje mangathiwa ngempela uyakwenza ayizobonza into embi kakhulu. Ngifuna ukufundela istatement ke sikhishwe uye ubaba Unyonso lo. Statement lesiphume ngomhla ka9 kuJune 2026. Isihloko sithi Minister of Land Reform and Rural Development to pursue legal actions over defamatory allegations. Isikhathi yena ebizungizwe noPhakela Mthakathi ethi the attacks, those were not defamatory statements. Ngesikhathi yena ngoba qale yena ebizungizwe noPhakela Mthakathi ethi the attacks, those were not defamatory statements. Asiqhubeke ke ne letter yakhe. The Ministry of Land Reform and Rural Development has noted with a serious concern recent public statement made by Mr. Nkosinathi Ndaba-Ndaba, also known publicly as Phakela Mthakathi, concerning the Minister of Land Reform and Rural Development, Honorable Mzwanele Nyonso. The statements, which were circulated on social media platforms and during a podcast appearance, contain serious allegations against Minister and the department. These include claims that the minister is involved in the abuse of black people on farms, the eviction of black families, and the transfer of land to white farmers. The ministry rejects these allegations as false, unfounded, and damaging. These claims are not supported by evidence and have the potential to mislead the public, harm the reputation of the minister and the department, and undermine confidence in the important work being undertaken to advance land reform, tenure security, Restitution and Rural Development. Hey, namagama esilungu. The ministry respects the right of all South Africans to freedom of expression and public accountability. However, this right does not extend to publication of false and defamatory statements that damages personal and institutional integrity. The ministry has therefore instructed its legal representative to take appropriate legal steps against Mr. Ndabandaba. These steps are intended to protect the integrity of the minister, the department, and the broader public mandate entrusted to the ministry. The ministry remains focused on its constitutional and policy responsibilities to advance equitable access to land, protect the rights of historical dispossessed communities, and strengthen public confidence in land reform. Njengoba uzwake ukuthi ubaba uNyotso lo uthathela uphakela umthakathi inyathelo ukuthi impela these statements are defamatory, useyalela amaloya wakhe. Sizowathola mhlawumbe amaphepha, mhlawumbe uphakela umthakathi bazonele bangamthumelela amaphepha washare kwi-social media siza ukuthi udaba lakhe lihamba kanjani. Kodwa nje lo baba uyena oqalile, uyena oqalile wathi the attacks mase sebephendula uthe uphakela umthakathi lo baba uyisilima noma umbuka. Angeke ngisho lutho ke mina ngoba ngizimele futhi angithathe ihlangothi. Kodwa ngifuna ukubona ukuthi isiphetho sale ndaba sizogcinaphi. Uma uphakela umthakathi enobufakazi, ithuba lokuthi akabukhiphe. Ngoba akufanelanga wenza ama-allegations nje ungenabo ubufakazi. Kodwa uma enobufakazi, kuyoba ithuba elihle kakhulu lokuthi abukhiphe.